In a previous video, I showed you how to make a project template in Premiere Pro. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to update that project template so that you don't have to remake one and save it again. You can use the same old one that you've been using, but make changes so that the next time you use the template, it will be modified however you want. So right now, I just have my typical template here, but this isn't what I want. Say I want to make my nested sequence shorter and move a couple of these things around. I want to make some updates. How do I do it? Well, you need to open the file where it's saved on your computer. And in order to find where that template file is saved, you're going to go to File, New, Project. And then in this drop down under Template, you're going to go to Open Templates folder. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to close out of the current session I have here, because in my Templates folder, I have the Premiere template file. So I need to open that OG folder because it's containing the template that that's being drawn from. So let's open that up and make the changes that we want. So what I want to do is something minor. Let's move our nested sequence down to about 1 minute. That's much shorter. I'm going to put these back to back in the front of my timeline there. Just making random changes, really, nothing serious. Okay, so say I want it to look like this going forward for the template. All I have to do is just save this. Save it where it's stored right now. And it's stored on my C drive under users. So I'm going to X out, and then I'm going to open up my brand new Premiere. And I'm going to create a new project. Let's call it test 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to put it in whatever location you want. Okay, and very importantly, we need to choose the template. This is the one I just updated, tutorial template new 2. These 3 just come with Premiere, so you can ignore them. This is the one, and it should open up with the changes. Remember, the nested sequence should be about 1.5 minutes long, and the 2 other little clips should be at the very front of that sequence. So let's see if that happened. Okay. And we got to open our template to see, and here it is. It is updated. Yep, 1 minute long, not 1.5 minutes. That's right. I made it even shorter. And these 2 are in the front. So that's all you have to do. You have to update the file on your C drive probably, but it could be located somewhere else. But in order to find it, make sure you go to File, New, Project, Open Templates folder. And then in that templates folder, that's where you can make the edits that you need to make in order for your template to be updated accordingly. So I hope that this helped you guys. I really enjoy working with templates because I make a lot of the same thing again and again and again. And if you do too, I think you'll find this pretty useful. So check out my playlist in Premiere for other tips and tricks, and I really appreciate you watching.